Welcome to Televith. My name is Nasser, and in this video, you will learn about the history and the structure of private security in United Arab Emirates. Let's start from the beginning. Before the formation of the UAE in 1971, security was largely handled by the tribal structure and traditional rulers. Protection of property and the people was managed within these tribal systems, and the formal security organization were minimal. The country's security largely revolved around the protection of trade routes, pearl diving operations, and small settlement. With the unification of 7 emirates in 1971, the need of formal security infrastructures became more apparent, especially as oil wealth began to transform the country. Public law enforcement was strengthened, but the demand for the private security services began to grow as foreign investment flowed into the country and the large-scale development projects took off. From 1980 to 1990, cities like Dubai and Abu Dhabi began rapid urbanization and industrialization. Private security companies began to emerge, offering services to protect the construction sites, oil and gas facilities, and other major infrastructures. These early private security firms provided the basic guarding services such as gatekeeping and patrolling. By the 1990s, Dubai and Abu Dhabi had become the key financial hubs, attracting the global corporations. Alongside this growth, the demand for the corporate security services skyrocketed. Private security companies began to offer a wider range of services beyond just the physical security, including the surveillance and monitoring system, access control, and specialized security for high-profile individuals and events. As the private security industry expanded, the UAE government recognized the need to regulate it to ensure the quality and professionalism. Local laws began to be introduced, requiring the security companies to be licensed and ensuring that their employees were trained to meet the certain standards. Abu Dhabi, Dubai, and other emirates developed their own sets of regulations governing the private security. In 2000s and after, the Abu Dhabi government created the PSBD, the Private Security Business Department. Dubai developed the DPS, Department of Protective System, and the Northern Emirates created the PSCOD, Private Security Company Organization Department, to regulate and oversee the private security sector. These bodies were responsible for the licensing, training, ensuring the compliance with the security standard across the emirate. They ensured that the security personnel were adequately trained to meet the demand of the modern security challenges. In recent years, the name of PSBD Private Security Business Department has been changed to ASSD, Auxiliary Security Service Department, while its structure and the role is same. Currently in Abu Dhabi, there are 2 training institutes, NSI, the National Security Institute, and TSTI, the Tawhid Security Training Institute, are ASSD approved institutions. In Dubai 2016, SIRA was formed to take over the role of DPS with a broader mandate to implement the advanced security protocols and technology. SIRA has its own training institution for all sorts of security and related trainings. In Northern Emirates like Sharjah, Ajman, Ras Al Khaimah, Al Quwain, and Fujairah, PSCOD has changed its names to PSFRD, Private Security Firm Regulatory Department. NSI, the National Security Institute, also an approved training center there. ASSD in Abu Dhabi and PSFRD in Northern Emirates working closely and have almost the same regulations. I will make a separate video about these training departments, their offered courses, and certification. Thank you for watching this video. For more knowledge about the private security, just subscribe, like, and share my channel. Thank you so much.